Hello everyone. You know, in office, school or hospital has this same problem. Somebody has the laptop, somebody book a room, but nobody actually know who was what or where it is right now. It is all sitting in the seats, WhatsApp message or somebody memory. So for the Odoo Hackathon, we build something to actually fix that. An asset and resource management system. You are register your asset like laptop, chair, van, whatever. Also, book share resources like meeting room, run maintenance requests, and do audit, all from one dashboard. Let me just walk you through it. Let's we see the sign in and sign up page. So first, sign up page only even create a normal employee account. Nobody can just make themselves an employee admin. Role get given out later by an actual admin, which is how it should work in a real company. So let's we sign in. Once you are in, this is the dashboard. It shows what is available, what allocate, active booking, pending transfer, and anything overdue that flag in the red right up top. So it is not blurred somewhere you forgot never. Now let me see the organization setup. In this, there the admin set up everything up, department, asset categories, and their employee list. And this is the only place somewhere that promoted the departments like a head of a manager who was that and the parents department also did and also then employed directly there will be set the manager roles like a admin manager auditor financier employee that way. So let us see the asset page. In the asset page where actually the registration of an asset will be done, just asset name will be entered, then their serial number will be just like a, and their category will be mobile phone computer, then department selected and the location will be entered with their we know and the condition of that device or asset, and also there will be cost of that, and also we can click as a asset will be bookable by the employee, and on click register asset the asset will be visible and all the detail will be show, and every asset status is available visible like available allocate under maintenance whatever it is right now. Let we show the allocation and the transfer page. So this is honestly our favorite part. Say this laptop is already allocated to the some like a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is already allocated to the Udit Rana. If somebody else try to allocate the exactly same laptop, the system does not just let it happen. It block it. Then you this is already with the Udit Rana and this you transfer request instantly, so the record never be just that silent override. The transfer has actually get approved before the laptop move to the new person. Like we see the resource booking. Same idea for the booking room or vehicle. If a room booked a 9 to 10 and also we then select the space or resources like a China iOS testing kit 1. So here somebody will be I booked from 9 to 10 a.m. for the meeting, and and I will somebody will be trying for booking from 9 to 11 for service. So it get overlapped, and but if they looked up for 10 to 11 right after that totally fine, but no more double booked room are not allowed by the system. So now we let's see the maintenance page. If somebody break you are rise and maintenance request here, it goes through an actually approved step before repairing work even starter pending, like we can drag and drop in this such a way easier way, and also we can see having a pending approved technical assigned in progress or resolve after the process resolver the assign status updated on its own, it flipped to the under maintenance the second is approval and back to the available once it fits. Let we see the audit page. In this page we can create the audit cycle, like just the cycle name starting date end date, select the departments and the location and assign the auditor, and after that creating the cycle everyone offset view will just actually check that everything the system say exists really exists. That is what the auditor for are for. Assign the auditor, they go and check the asset, mark each or verify missed or damaged in this way. by selecting, and anything will be missed that automatically auto flag into the discrepancy report, and once you close the cycle, missing item get marked a loss automatically. That we see the report page. In the report page we can see the optimization by the department like marketing, sales, IT operations, engineering, human resources have their active and the total allocated, and also the most used resources or idle asset, 30 plus days reports and alert plan life cycles. And also the line map will be used for maintenance frequencies of the display, networking, computer, furniture or testing devices, and notification, everything is tried to back into the notification. One assign booking, confidence, and transfer, approval, overdue, return, all it's for it. This update live too, and we are using the socket.io. So if somebody book a room or another laptop right now, you will see it is a pop-up here every without refreshing the page, and also having added approve or booking different pages. On the text side, React on the front end, Node and Express on the back end, PostgreSQL for the database, and Socket.io for everything that need to be updated live. And the database set itself up automatically the first time you run it. No manual setup, no frequent headaches, it just works. And this is a AssetFlow built in 8 hours by the Team Codinity for the Hackathon 2026 Odoo, and link to the repo in the description if you want to check out the code, and thank for watching.